Let's talk about the latest launched Vivo smartphone V30 Pro. Now let's talk about the specifications of this smartphone. Firstly, talk about the display of this smartphone. This phone features with AMOLED curved display, 6.78 inches Full HD plus punch hole display, resolution of 1260 by 2800 pixels, 20:9 aspect ratio, approximately 89.9% screen-to-body ratio, approximately 452 ppi pixel density, 2800 nits peak brightness, 120 Hz refresh rate, HDR10 plus color quality support, and shot alpha glass protection. And now talk about the camera of this smartphone. The smartphone with triple camera setup on the rear that includes 50 megapixel 23mm Sony IMX920 OIS main camera, along with 50 megapixel 50mm Sony IMX816 portrait telephoto camera, and 50 megapixel 15mm Samsung JN1 ultra-wide-angle camera with Zeiss optics. For selfies it has 50 megapixel front camera, video recording maximum 4K at 30 fps on both rear and front camera. For the software, the handset turns on Android 14 operating system based on exclusive optimized version of FunTouch OS 14 screen on top the device. Under the hood, the phone CPU is octa-core 3.1 GHz single-core Cortex A78 plus 3 GHz tri-core Cortex A78 plus 2 GHz quad-core Cortex A55, powered by MediaTek Dimensity 8200 chipset, paired with Mali G610MC6 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone plugs with 8 GB, 12 GB of LPDDR5X RAM, with 8 GB, 12 GB of extended RAM, and 256 GB, 512 GB of UFS 3.1 onboard storage. No micro SD card slot. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 164.36 by 75.1 by 7.45 mm, and it weighs around 188 grams, and the color options Andaman blue, Noble black, peacock green colors to see in this smartphone, and the device comes backed by a massive 5000 mAh battery, with 80-watt fast charging support. Additionally, the smartphone also features, under display fingerprint sensor for biometric authentication, with face unlock. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 5G, dual band Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.3, GPS L1 plus L5, Type-C, headphone jack, USB Type-C charging port, IP54 dust and splash resistant, and with NFC. So now, let's have a look at the pricing details of the smartphone. The Vivo V30 Pro has been priced for 12 GB plus 512 GB storage variant at 8,999,000 Indonesian rupiah, and 184,999 Pakistani rupees, $570 US, and 47,999 Indian rupees, while the 8 GB plus 256 GB storage variant expected at 173,999 Pakistani rupees, while the 12 GB plus 256 GB storage variant at 179,999 Pakistani rupees. Conclusion. So what do you guys think of this Vivo V30 Pro smartphone? Do let us know in the comments section below and subscribe for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next Video.